Hey guys, how's it going? In this video I will be showing you how to use the Virtualbox software. And it's an emulation software similar but different to PCM, and I will explain it as I go along. And I will be showing you how to install the latest version of linuxmint. So yeah, without further ado, let's get going. Now let's create that virtual machine. First go to new, and you can name it whatever the heck you want. I'm going to name mine Linux, and I'm going to leave it right here. Don't change that. We're not going to worry about the ISO image now. The type should be set to Linux, and the version, just put it at Ubuntu 64-bit. Next. And just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go up to approximately 8 gigabytes of memory. And let's go to quad-core processor. Click next. And the disk size, go up to approximately 100. Next. And then this just gives you a rundown of the virtual machine that you've created. And just click finish. And next we are going to install linuxmint onto your newly created virtual machine. So next go to settings, go to storage, and we are going to create a virtual optical drive. So click here and navigate. If the linuxmint ISO image does not show up in this list, just click on host drive F. I'm just going to do it right here. And then in order to insert the ISO image, just click on that and click here, choose a disk file, and in this case we are looking for the linuxmint ISO. Mine's on the desktop. Navigate to your location, double click, and it should be right here, and then just go to system, and we are going to set the boot priority. So we uncheck everything with the exception of the optical drive, and we click on the optical, and then just press up, and boom. Once the VM boots up, it will look for the optical drive first so we can boot from it. So just click OK, and we are ready to install it, to boot it up. Start. These side tabs are annoying. Okay, so we're here. Go down to OEM install. This is the most stable way to do it. We'll get to that. M for mint. linuxmint. It kind of looks like a mint. I'm bad at making small talk, I'm sorry. But anyway, just be patient. These icons down here will tell you once it's blinking red or green, that means it's working. Things are functioning. Network adapter's working. Everything here's working. So it's got to load. Okay, we're here. And just fill everything out accordingly. Then click continue. I'm just going to keep clicking continue. Install multimedia. No, we're not going to do that. We'll do that later on. Okay, now you'll come to here. Never mind this, just click install now. Yeah, continue. And just do the prompts just according to where you live and your geographics. And my computer's name, OEM. I guess you guys are already going to guess what I'm going to name mine. Bin 90. Yep. Oh, Bin 90. And the OEM, the username by default is going to be OEM, but we'll and then choose your password. Mm-mm-mm. Okay, this will take a little while. So sit back, relax. And you should come to here and it will prompt you to reboot your VM. Restart now. Okay, got to remove the installation medium. Go here. You know what? Just press enter and we'll do that after. Can't shut down. Hold on. Close. Power off. Okay. Now we have to go back into it and we can first we have to go to the settings and go to system, remember, and now that everything's installed on the virtual hard drive, we have to check the hard disk option and go up and make sure it's at the top for the boot priority and click OK and you could boot. It should boot. Awesome. If you see this right here, that means it's working. So yeah, any icons with blinky lights on them, that's a good thing. Don't show this message again. And yeah, well, that's the basics for installing Linux Mint on your VM in VirtualBox. And what we're going to do now is we are going to install the guest editions, which will enable you to basically do extra things with the VM, like access external drives like USB drives, and if you wanted to, for some reason, install a game and play a game, you could use the controller. But yeah, we're going to insert guest edition CD image, and, and this will come up. Just click run, and the password, you're going to type in the password that you set at the beginning of the installation. So hopefully you wrote it down. And it should install. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward. And in the next video, I will be showing you guys like how to share documents between the host machine and the virtual machine. So, yeah, if you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them. I'm open. And be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much. Really appreciate you for watching.